My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection that is called Aabn. So, Aabn is a new ransomware that now affects many Windows computers all over the world. This ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner because it encrypts the files and damages them considerably. By the way, this Aabn ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. After it encrypts file, it adds this Aabn extension to the files. The intrusion of this ransomware is the result of poor protection of the computer by existing security programs. So, in most of the cases, people just restart their computer or turn it on someday, and then they realize that something bad has happened with the files and that they cannot use the data anymore. So now you can clearly see the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and this is the message that you get. Windows can't open this type of file with the Aabn extension. The same applies to all other files. You just cannot open them anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So we recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and then start researching and investigating the system with its help. So this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database. So after the anti-malware database gets updated, Combo Cleaner begins researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner helps to detect the majority of threats like adware, browser hijackers, and even ransomware, and its premium license will help to protect your data from all other possible ransomware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to premium. This is the best solution to keep your computer always protected and to keep your data always protected in the future.